Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, June the 19th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, but right now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. News of today, well, it's war day number 847, 847 days ago. The war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Yeah. Alright, Sudoku with 3 stars. This will be number 8747. 7, 84747. Let me move to this side so I can start with the puzzle. I need more space here. Alright. Come on. 8747. 747. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25 printed digits. 1 digit more should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 4 in this row. 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left of 4 is should be there. 7, 5. Okay. 4, 4. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. Only place left of 4 is should be there. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in this box. We have 4 in this row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 4. Wait. 5 missing numbers in this column. Third column, one of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, or there. We see a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. No 4 there. 4 in the row above. No 4 there. Only place level 4 is should be there. Need a 4 there. Need a 4 here. Alright, cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. How about these 4 missing numbers? In the third column, one of the missing numbers is at 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 9 could be here or there. Here or there in the third column. Well, here can be 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Right. 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers in this third column are the numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. And look, we have 1 and a 5 in the last row. No 1 and a 5 in this box. 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the third column for the number 7. 1 box left in this big square. For number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below. Oh, we have a pair. The 3 and 8 in this row, the 3 and 8 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes at there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next on the last column. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1, 1. No. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. Alright. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Need a 5 here. 4 here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so they'll come next. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so last row. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 3. Alright. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have 9 in the middle column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this third row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row, so the first row. Only 3 places left on the 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. We have a 9 in that column, no 9 there. The only place left on the 9 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, no, 1, 5, okay. How about a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left on the 5 is should be there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this first row, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 1 goes at there. Need a 1 here, okay. 2 and a 6. Well. 9. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left with 2 in this big square. Should be there. 5, 6, and 7. Right. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. We have a pair. The 7 and 8 in the first row. The 7 and 8 in the second row. So the third row. The only 2 places left for the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in the third row for number 1. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the third row. 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left is 6. Yeah, should be there. Need a 1 here. Need a 5 here. Well, one of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. So the 5 goes together with the 9 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. Right. 9, 5. Need a 6 here. 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Need a 9 here. Yeah. 5, 9. Come on. One in the last column, one in the column next, so that column. Only 2 places left for the one should be here or there. We have one in the middle row, no one there. One should be here. One. Cannot continue with one now. Need to wait. Then let me see. 7. 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5. Yeah. I'm thinking. Come on. I need a 6 here. I need an 8. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 8 in this big square should be there. The other pair in this big square are the numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. Alright. 6. Then 2, 4, 8. I need 8. 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number in the last row is number 8. Here came in 8. We have 8 in the second column. No 8 there. Here came in 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. So the only place left with 8 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number. Last row for number 1. The 2 is missing. And we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between, the only place left, 2 should be there. 2 and 7, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so in that row, the only place left, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column 3, the only place left, 7 should be there. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now, need to wait. Alright. Then, let me see, 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing, 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6, we have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left, the 4 is should be there. 1 box left in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And we have a pair, the 1 and 7 in this row, the 1 and the 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left, the 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left, 5 should be there. 5 in the 9, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in this first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. We solved it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. It's a 1-star puzzle. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.